Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix high ping in Naraka Bladepoint. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to browser and then you need to go to, for example, speedtest.net and test your internet speed. So you need to make sure that you have good internet speed and consistent connection, and if you do, you can then proceed with another step. But if you don't, maybe limit some devices, restart your router, or do other things to basically increase your internet speed, right? Another thing that you can do here is to go to command prompt or cmd and run as administrator, and then you need to just write here ip config /flush DNS, and another one is nesh winsock reset, right? And after that, you need to restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to settings, internet, network and internet. Make sure that VPN is not connected here because it can cause the problem. Probably in a lot of times with VPN, you will get high ping. And then you just need to go to advanced network settings, more network adapter options here, disable your internet connection for a few seconds and enable again. And after that, of course, if there is possibility, always use a Ethernet cable because you'll get a better connection. And then just right click on your internet, go to properties, and make sure internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and then double click on internet protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes and your problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.